This is a message to my black men and black women. Never, never let any other race try to hurt your people. Never. So we must start love one another as we love ourselves. Stand
Well,
up and
have you
fight.
ever noticed how
Fight with
these
all our might.
people
Never let no one
giving all the credit
hurt
to
my people.
the people living to the land of
Never,
Canaan,
never,
which they
never.
call Israel?
Listen what I'm saying.
They glorify
We
those
are the
people like,
first
hey,
man
we doing something
and
good.
first woman. So don't
In the
let
meantime,
anyone
you're
come
killing the
and
people
tell
that
you
living to the land of Canaan,
who you are.
and they start to kill the Persian people also.
And the first woman.
And America is rejoicing.
Listen, black man.
Europe is rejoicing.
We are the first. And
Like you're doing a favors to the world.
if there be a loss, we will be the lost man.
Those European people are barbaric.
Of the earth.
What the people cannot see.
We are
They lack of so much
I don't
earthly knowledge that they cannot see what these white Europeans is doing that living to the land of Canaan that call themselves Israeli.
as we love ourselves, let no other race
Just think about it.
hurt any one of us. Our children,
They are occupiers
our grandfathers,
and they have nuclear weapons.
other race,
Just think about it. What do these occupiers into the land of Canaan have nuclear weapons for?
listen,
What is the purpose of them having nuclear weapons?
the time has come for we to
And
stand up.
Iran cannot have nuclear weapons.
Don't let no other race kill our people.
Huh?
Never, never, never.
These people are European people that move into the land of Canaan
Kill each other. Black women
and capture it.
kill each other. Save the children.
They have not paid no rent for it.
I'm saying, save
They have not leased the land.
from sudden
And they have not purchased the land. They just take it
any other race. Move it.
and figure, hey, they can't say shit.
Kill our people. No.
The Navy cannot say nothing.
No. Listen to me, brothers and
And they've been fighting for years and years, just like the people that Europeans that came to the Americas. They do the same shit.
the black man to wake up, to realize
So now they must not say nothing.
the black man, time is come.
So they can kill the people that is living there.
Don't you fool around.
And when it comes to the black man, he can't say nothing. And all of the land belongs to him. Did you hear me? All the land.
Listen to me.
If you really want to check it out real good,
Don't tell. That's some bullshit.
all of the land of Persia belongs to the black man.
Stay away from uncleanness.
All the land of China belongs to the black man. If you want to really check it out real good. But if you want to jump over the shit, then you can't check nothing. Because the black man lived in those lands for a very long time before those people. But nobody wants to go back. The black man can't go back.
And black women.
Because the white man turning them around.
Never let any other race
Like June 19, this is for the black man.
so
The
we
white people don't want it anymore.
love one another.
They don't want to buy it anymore.
And we love ourselves.
And this is the day for him.
Fight with all our might. Never let no one
You could imagine
hurt my people.
white people was buying black people Just think about it.
We are the first man.
And God did not stop the white man from buying him
One come and tell you
so he can turn him into slave.
you are the first
Huh?
and the first woman.
I'm saying that the God of the black man did not stop the white man
And we will be the lost.
from buying the black man as a slave.
We will be the lost man. And
So when they bought them,
leave the face of the earth.
they do all type of manner of things with them because they own them.
The original
Isn't it so?
man.
And the God did not say shit.
You forget
No, the God of the Bible,
I said unto you.
the God of the Bible did not say nothing
As we
when the white man bought the black man.
let no other race
Huh. Could you imagine that?
be one of us.
Now the black man locked up in this Bible.
Our grandfathers,
He locked up in this Bible. And he have not even locked up too good in this one. He also locked up in this one too.
fight with all your might.
Waiting for somebody to come redeem him
As I said unto you,
and see in person.
the time has come for we to start
You could imagine?
fight for our people. Don't
So he just full of a whole bunch of lump.
never, 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 never. Listen what I'm saying to you.
And that's why we stop.
Black man,
Cain saying nothing about the people that is killing the people into the land of Canaan. Because they're scared. Remember, the white man bought the black man
keep the children
for money.
from sudden destruction. Don't you let any other
So the God of the Bible doesn't care about black man.
race kill our people. No.
Let me say it one more time. The God of the Bible do not care about black men. He does not love black men.
To my black man and
He
black
doesn't love black women.
never, never let any other race
So that's why the white people can do anything
never.
to you.
So we must start
And the God is not going to stop him.
as we love ourselves.
But if you want to go on with your bullshit stuff, keep on going on.
All our might.
Because the God is not going to stop the white man from doing anything he want to do with the black people.
Never. Listen
He
what
want to sell you. He want to buy you.
first man and first
He want to beat you.
so don't
He want to tie you up. He want to hang you. The God is not going to do nothing.
you are.
So what you have to say?
You are the first man and the first
Your mind is far into
Listen what I'm saying.
strange dilemma
Listen, black man. Listen, black woman.
and waiting for someone to come and rescue you,
And we will be the lost.
which you can see with your eyes.
If there be a loss, we will
If
be
you
the
don't
lost
think that's some crazy shit,
and woman
I don't know what to tell
in
you.
the face of the earth. Because we are the original.
And that's the problem we're having.
the original man.
That's the problem we're having.
Forget this word.
Waiting on Mr. Jesus, waiting on Master God,
Each other.
and all of them names are given by
Love ourselves.
the white man.
Let no other race hurt anyone.
So if you don't wake up
Our children,
and stop dreaming,
our grandfathers,
you're going to be in a mess.
no other race hurt your people. We got
And
to
that's why we in a mess and can't get out of it.
fight with all
Because we're dreaming and we're not sleeping. Isn't that a bitch? You're dreaming and not sleeping.
never, never let any other race
And nobody cannot wake you out of that
hurt
dream.
your people. Never. So
That's
we must
some mess.
one another.
If you don't think it's some mess,
Stand
I
up.
don't know what to tell you. So we gotta wake up, black man.
Never let
and stop the people that live into the land of Canaan from doing all these brutality. And the land is not theirs. And the people that they're killing is not their people. They're killing other race of people. And nobody can say nothing. Nobody. When I mean nobody, mean the black man. He's unconcerned. He's not doing anything. What is he doing? Talking about God and talking about Jesus. Talking about wife swapping. Talking about fornication, as you call it. And that's what's going on. Baseball, football, soccer. That's all he's into now. So as I said, he stopped. He can't think anymore. He can think about how to plant the grains. How can I plant the grains so they can multiply abundantly? He cannot think like that no more. His thinking is all gone. But anyway, if we don't wake up, that's what's going to happen. We're going to stuck in Band-Aid. And Band-Aid going to stuck in you. I'm talking from myself. Whatever come I say, it don't have to be right for you. But whatever come out of my mouth, that's what I utter. And I said peace and respect.
Listen what I'm saying. Save the children from sudden destruction. Don't you let any other race